Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I am Abdul Rauf, an assistant teacher at Amanabaki Residential Model School and College. Today I am going to take a class on article for class 6. So now we are going to start. First, what is article? If we want to know what is article and if we answer in English, A and D is called article. So how many kinds of article? There are two kinds of article, indefinite and definite. And definite. So what is indefinite article? A and N. A and N. Definite article D. So today we are going to learn how to use A or N or indefinite article. So we have to follow some rules. According to the rules, first rule, if we can find that the article word start with consonant, we have to use before the word. So first, where we have to use? Rule 1, if we can find that the article was start with consonant, we have to use A. I bought dash pen. So the noun, before noun we have to use, before article, adjective with noun we have to use article. So P start with, pen start with P and P consonant, so we have to use here A. Another example, she has dash toy. Here the word start T consonant, so we have to use A. In this way we can solve. Then rule number 2, if we can find that the article word start with vowel, we have to use N. Before vowel we have to use N. Example here, I ate dash apple. The article word apple and apple start A here vowel, so we have to use N before vowel. In this way, another example, I have dash ink pot. Ink pot start I here vowel, so we have to use N. Rule 3, if we can find that the article word start with consonant but it pronounced like vowel, so we have to use here N instead of A. If the article word start with consonant and it pronounced like vowel, we have to use A instead of N instead of A. Example here, she is dash M.A. If we can find that the article word start with consonant and this pronounced like vowel, we have to use N instead of A. N instead of A. Here M.A. M consonant, but it pronounced M. So here it pronounced like vowel A. So we have to use N here. Another example, she is dash MBBS. Also, another example, my brother is dash FRCS. M, F, these are consonant, but MBBS, M, so it pronounced like vowel. This is why we have to use N. FRCS, F start vowel A, so we have to use here also N. In this way we can solve like this of example. Rule number 4, if we can find that the article word start with vowel but it pronounce U or wa, we have to use here A instead of N. Generally we know that we have to use N before vowel, but here vowel but pronounce U or wa. If you pronounce like vowel, we have to use A before instead of N. Example here, he is dash university student, STU student. This start vowel U, but if we can find that the article word start vowel but it pronounce U or wa, we have to use A instead of N. Generally we know that in before vowel we have to use N, but here vowel pronounce U or wa, so we have to use here A. Another example, she is dash one-eyed girl. Here vowel, but vowel pronounce one. So if it pronounce wa, we have to use A instead of N. We know that generally before vowel we have to use N, but here pronounce wa, so we cannot use here N. We have to use A instead of N. A. Rule number 5. Now rule number 5. If we can see the article word start with S, but S pronounce silent, we have to use silent S before silent S N. Example, wait for dash hour. Hour start S, but start silent here. S silent here, not hour. So S pronounce silent. Before silent S we have to use N. So wait for an hour. Another example, he is dash honest man. Here honest start S, but S here silent, so we have to use N before silent S. He is dash honest man. If we can another example, another rules, if the article word expressed singular common noun, we use A or N before it, and it modify indefinite article. Example here, dash dog is a faithful animal. faithful animal. Here dog singular common noun, and also it modify indefinite article, so we have to use here a or an. This is consonant, so we have to use a. A dog is a faithful animal. Another example, dash ant is an industrious animal. This is singular common noun and also modify indefinite article, so we have to use before indefinite article and singular common noun we have to use a or an. This is vowel, so we have to use an. Ant is an industrious animal. In this way we can solve like this example. Sometimes if we see some of the article word express the same or a certain, if we can find that it expresses the same or a certain, we have to use a or an. Example here, character. The criminal are of dash character. That means it expresses the same character. So if we can find it express the same or certain, we have to use a or an. That means here we have to use article a character. The criminals are of a same character, are a character. That means the same. Also another example, there lived dash king. Here it expresses a certain. So if it expresses certain or same, we have to use a or an. So this is consonant, we have to use a. In this way we can solve it. We use a or an instead of disguised preposition. Another rule, we can use a or an instead of disguised preposition. Where the preposition silent, we have to use here a or an. Example here, the king went dash hunting. The king went dash hunting. That means here hunting on hunting. The king went on hunting. Here on disguised preposition. And like this of disguised preposition, we have to use a hunting. The king went on a hunting. Then rule number 9. If we can find few, little, good many, lot of before plural noun, we have to use a. What kinds of word? Few, little, good many, lot of, great many, like this of word, if we can find before plural noun, we cannot use a or an before plural noun, but if we can find that these kinds of word, few, little, good many, lot of, great many, etc., we have to use like this of word, before like this of word use a, if we can find that this word, after this word there is a plural noun. Example here, he earns, dash lot of money. This is plural noun, also singular noun, but here use plural noun. So if we can find that before plural noun, lot of, little, good many, great many, we have to use article a. So he earns a lot of money. Another example, there is dash little water on the jar. So water, before water we can say little. If we can find that before plural nouns, few, little, good many, lot of, great many, etc., we have to use article a. In this way we can solve like this of problem. We use a before couple, dozen, score, 100, 1000, etc. That's mean we can use article a if we can find that the article word is couple, dozen, score, 100, 1000, billion, million, etc. What kinds of word? Couple. Couple, dozen, 100, 1000, score. Before this word we have to use article a. Example here, he earns dash 100 taka per day. We can see 100. If we can find couple, dozen, 100, 1000, score, million, billion, we have to use before this word article a. Another example, she bought dash dozen pens. So here we can say dozen. Before dozen we have to use article a. In this way we can solve like this of article. If we can find that exclamatory sentence start with such, what, how, we have to use article a before the article what. Example here, what dash pretty girl, what dash pretty girl. This is exclamatory sentence. Start what, so we have to use article a before the article what. What a pretty girl. Another example, such dash long quick. Start such and this is exclamatory sentence, so we have to use article a. Such a long quick. Another example, how nice dash girl, how nice dash girl. This is exclamatory sentence and start how, so we have to use before article what, a. Another rule, if we can find that sum of the phrase, in the middle of the sum of the phrase we have to use article a. The phrase are in a body, in a nutshell, in a hurry, some of the phrase. In the middle of this phrase we have to use article a. Example here, I am in dash hurry. So I am in dash hurry, in a hurry. This is a phrase, so in the middle of the phrase we have to use article a. In this way we can solve the article, indefinite article. Today we learn how to use, where we can use a or an. The coming class we are going to learn the omission of article, that's mean omission of a and an. So no more today, we are going to the finish the class. Okay, goodbye.